Hello, introduce yourself and your company.
Good morning. My name is Matt Wood. I'm the Vice President of Sales for Precode Electronics.
What does your solution do and how is it integrated with Geotab?
So Precode is the manufacturer of collision mitigation technology and solutions for the heavy-duty industries. And so how we partner with Geotab is that we integrate our technology such that you can prevent accidents and get that information uploaded to the greater good.
Great. So what is your company mission?
Our mission is to save lives and prevent accidents for our customers.
And what makes your company unique and sets you apart from your competitors?
Well, we've been in business for over 70 years providing safety solutions to the heavy equipment industry and the commercial trucking industry. And so what sets us apart is really our focus on the customer and on what their needs are at the very end of the day, so that they and their customers themselves can go home to their families and they can feel safe about what they're doing in the world.
So how do you envision the impact that your company will have and its role in the future?
Well, we're seeing a lot of integration of technology, particularly in the commercial trucking arena. And so as we move forward, one of our capabilities is being able to work with various suppliers of that technology such that, again, for the end user, they have a complete solution.
And fun question at the end, how long have you been with the company and what do you enjoy most about working?
Well, I've actually been with the Precode organization now for almost 30 years. And what I enjoy most is getting out and working with our customers because you get to see something different every day. And it also helps you very much in being able to guide the business to meet their needs.